Hi, I'm Walmart Chef Darcy Boss, and we're gonna be making veggie skillet dinners. This is another installment in our $20 Meals for 4 series. Let's get started. Salt, mozzarella, zucchini, noodles, mushrooms, tomatoes, and butter. Start by melting butter in pan. Add your zucchini and add your mushrooms and cook for 3 minutes. Add your salt and your tomatoes and stir together. Cook for 5 minutes. Add in your cooked pasta and stir to combine. Add in the mozzarella cheese and mix until melted. Enjoy! Olive oil, rice, peppers, mushrooms, teriyaki, peas and carrots. Add in your olive oil, your peppers, add your mushrooms, and stir. Cook for 5 minutes. Add your peas and carrots and stir to combine. Now add your teriyaki sauce. Heat that up for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Add in your pre-cooked rice and stir to combine. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more recipes, check out the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.